All right, so I just wanted to do this video to let you guys know that we got this desk and chair from eWin, and if you guys actually want to get your own desk and chair, you can save 30% off for Black Friday right now, so it's a pretty good deal for those people looking. But really dope chair, really dope desk, and Harrison actually helped me put together the chair, and then I put together the desk for him in his room. So this is his set. I have my own set as well, which is super rad. But this is where he's going to be streaming his stuff. Or not streaming, I guess, just recording his gameplays and whatnot. We got him the Elgato face cam, and then we have a basically an Elgato capture card. But here's a look at the chair. Really nice quality materials on here. It's eWin right here, and it's embroidered. And then you have like a nice little headrest pillow, although he can't reach it yet because he's too short. But you do have an ergonomic support pillow down there on the bottom. And I got the white and the black one for him. He actually chose this one, which is super rad. I have the all black one, and it's a really heavy duty chair. It's actually quite heavy as well, but it swivels, obviously, as you can see here. Here is the back logo right there. Then you have the part right down here where you can adjust things right there and there. And then check out even these wheels. The wheels are really nice as well. Look at that. Pretty fancy wheels. These move up and then out and in as well. So lots of diversity right there on the armrests. But yeah, really nice there. And then we also have this desk, and it's kind of cool. You can push the button and it can actually turn on the LEDs there. And if you cycle through, it can give you some different looks here. Pretty crazy ones. And then you can adjust. But pretty cool little desk here, and I just wanted to show you guys up close too. Look at this carbon fiber on the upper. It's not real carbon fiber, but the print is really nice. This disaster over here is my other setup. As you can see, I have the black chair, and then I also have the same exact desk over here. But you could see that this one is quilted right here, which I do like that. It's kind of nice, little premium feel. And this thing is really nice too. It looks like it's pretty much a brand new chair, but I've had this for over a year and a half now, I think. But yeah, check that out. Good quality stuff for sure, and definitely worth checking it out. I don't mind all the cable messes down there, but here is a look at the desk. Also, one thing I wanted to point out, there is actually some holes back here, so you could feed cables back through the back, which is a nice little plus as well. And there's one also on this side. The other one has a charger cable in the back also, but that's kind of it. And then you can see again the desk really nice on here as well. And I've worn this one, and I've used this desk a ton, so it's a little bit grimy right here. I haven't cleaned it or anything like that, but yeah, not bad. And then I have the cup holder down here as well. All right, buddy, what is the first game you're going to play in your new desk and chair?
My first game I'm going to play is Breath of the Wild.
Oh yeah, baby, you're gonna crush it too.
I mean, let's just go in the shrine. Will you beat the shrine first? With that 40 shield, great. Let's use our death shield though.